Welcome to the review channel, guys. Today we're checking out this little 6 or 8-inch chainsaw. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. This thing is pretty neat. There's already a couple things I like about it just out of the box. I like the size and the weight. It came with 2 batteries so that as soon as one's dead, I can throw the other one in and recharge the first one while I'm waiting. And then 2 different size blades. So I got the smaller blade here, a pair of gloves, and this extra handle, which I'm going to be using because I like the extra stability in a saw, and that way I know it's not going to bounce around or catch my fingers or anything like that. So as you can see, the extra handle just kind of screws on the side here, and then while I'm holding it and running the blade, I can hold it with this hand as well so that it doesn't get out of my control or cut myself or anything I don't want to cut. It did also come with a charger, which is in the house because I've charged both the batteries before I came out here. That way I know they're full and I can complete my tasks. So I put oil in it. I pumped it to get the oil down to the bar and the chain. You can see, works pretty good. Now we'll try cutting some of these logs and see how it goes. Cuts into that pretty good. I'm going to come over here to some of these smaller ones. With all the branches that fell this year with the ice storm, I got a lot of these little ones to cut up. And sometimes it's just easier to grab the little saw than the big chainsaw and hook that all up. And I mean, this thing's really easy to use. It does also have this little safety button so that when you're not cutting, you're not going to accidentally turn it on. Works real nice. And I got the smaller blade I can put on if I need it. So yeah, we can cut through stuff real good. Just cut some firewood sized chunks and I'll take them down and throw them in the fire. The end.